Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from Australia to Pakistan using Remitly. First of all, you head over to Remitly and then where it says sending to dash country, you want to select the flag and you want to type in your desired country, which is in our case Pakistan, and just select it. Now you want Pakistan to be loaded up at the top over here. As you can see, India has been changed into Pakistan in the logo, and then you want to click on send money over here and wait for this page to load up, which is the interface of how much you want to send. So you can either choose in USD, let's say this many USD, or you can choose in Pakistan amount and it's going to be automatically transferred into USD. And then delivery speed is how fast you want it to be sent. If it's express, then it's going to be fast and you have to pay with either your debit or credit card. And if it's economy, then you have to pay with your bank account, but it's going to give you the best price. So you hit on continue. After that, it says delivery method. How would you like the money delivered? It means the person, whoever is in Pakistan, how are they going to be receiving the money? If it's bank deposit, you just select on bank deposit, and whatever banks they have, they even have more options. Let's say Burj Bank, and then you have to put in the Burj Bank details. If it's cash deposit, then you just have to select cash pickup, and then it's gonna say which bank can they pick this money from. And if it's mobile money, then you see Easy Pasa, all these things. If it's Easy Pasa, just select on this one and then put in their details, continue. You get the gist. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.